Imagine a home that moves with you. No hotels, no limits. Just open roads, endless horizons, and absolute luxury. Today, we're stepping inside 15 of the most insane luxury motorhomes in the world. Mobile mansions that redefine travel, comfort, and freedom. This is not camping. This is next-level living on wheels. Luxury motorhomes are no longer just vehicles. They are rolling masterpieces, designed for celebrities, business tycoons, and adventure lovers who refuse to compromise. These machines combine cutting-edge engineering with five-star hotel comfort. From custom interiors to smart technology, every inch is built to impress. Some of these motorhomes are so advanced, they belong to Hollywood. Massive slide-outs transform compact vehicles into spacious living areas. Marble bathrooms, private bedrooms, professional kitchens. These RVs aren't just driven, they are experienced. When parked, they feel like luxury apartments. When moving, they feel like power and prestige on the road. Step inside, and the outside world disappears. Premium leather seating, hardwood flooring, soft ambient lighting that changes with your mood. Large panoramic windows bring nature inside while keeping comfort untouched. Every design choice whispers elegance and screams exclusivity. This is not a camper kitchen. Quartz countertops, high-end appliances, chef-grade cooking spaces. Whether it's a quick coffee at sunrise or a full dinner under the stars, these kitchens turn every meal into a luxury experience, anywhere in the world. At the end of the road, comfort awaits. King-size beds, hotel-style bathrooms, rain showers, and spa-like finishes. Here, you don't just sleep, you recharge in absolute peace. Luxury meets intelligence, solar panels, advanced batteries, smart control systems. These motorhomes can live off-grid for days or even weeks without sacrificing comfort. From lighting to climate control, everything is just a touch away. Freedom has never been this advanced. Luxury doesn't stop inside. Automatic awnings, outdoor kitchens, entertainment systems under open skies. Park beside mountains, deserts, or oceans, and turn nature into your private backyard. These luxury motorhomes are more than vehicles. They are a lifestyle choice, a choice to travel without limits, to live without boundaries, and to carry comfort wherever the road leads. If home is where the heart is, then these motorhomes prove that home can be anywhere.